It's me, it's me, it's me. Hey you guys, how are you doing? I just wanted to come on and do a quick video. Most of you guys don't know, I'm trying to lose some weight. So I try not to eat after 7, but you see how well that's working for me, right? Okay, I'm going to do this quick avocado dip. I'm trying to do something a little healthy, you know. Avocados have a great oil in it for you, so I want to do an avocado dip and eat it before 7. So let's just get rocking. And also, you guys, I didn't remove my KitchenAid. As you can see, it's a catch-all. I have oatmeal in here, I have marshmallows in here. Usually I try to be professional and remove it, but I'm running out of time. Okay, let's get started. In this bowl here, I have 2 ripened avocados. Make sure they're ripe. And what you can do, they'll have like a dark color, and just squeeze them. If they give, then they're ripe. But if you squeeze them and they just mushy, most of the time when you cut them open, they're going to be black. But these are beautiful. You see how green they are? Okay, so I'm just going to take a fork and we're just going to smash it. And I kind of like, you know, my avocado to have some type of texture. And this is just 2 avocados. I mean, of course, I'm not going to eat the whole bowl, but I'm going to get my share of it for sure. Okay, let's just smash the avocado up. I mean, where I'm at, as the old folks would say, it's raining like cats and dogs. I'm like, okay, God, maybe the farmers have prayed for rain and they're needing their crop to grow, so I'm not going to complain, but, oh my Lord, it's wet down here. Okay. I'll show you the avocado. And everything you see here is a tablespoon of, except the garlic and the cilantro. Okay, this is pretty nice, huh? Okay, you see how I just smashed it up with the fork? Still have a few chunks. Okay, and to this is 1 tablespoon of red onion diced real finely. Now, if you don't like onions in your guac, take it out, but I love the red onions. Okay, we're going to put that in there. So that's 1 tablespoon. And I have a teaspoon and a half of cilantro chopped up real finely, okay? Now, if you don't like cilantro, just use 1/4 of a teaspoon. It really helps your guac, really it does. Okay. Now, I've never tried it with parsley. Maybe you can substitute parsley for the cilantro. I don't know. I've never tried it. Okay, and to here, I have 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now, I kept the lemon out just in case it's not lemony enough for me. Okay, just in case it don't have enough lemon juice in it. Told you guys I'm country, okay? So let's put that in there. And here I have 1 Roman tomato and 1 small, I mean very small, garlic clove that I chopped up finely. I hope you guys can see that. See the little white specks? That's the garlic. And with your Roman tomatoes, you want to de-seed it. That means take all the seeds out of it, because if you leave the seeds in, it'll make your guac kind of sloppy, and you don't want that. Okay, so let's add that. So I told you it's going to be quick. Okay. Move the junk out the way. And I'm going to do, let's say, a teaspoon of salt. See that? That might be a teaspoon. If not, I'll add more. Okay, let's just stir this up. That's beautiful looking. First, I got to taste for the lemon juice. Excuse me, you guys. I got this guac on my hand. I mean, it smells amazing, especially with the red onions. And I want you guys to see this. You see? And you see how nice and firm it is? It's not real sloppy. I mean, you can actually do this. So that means it's a good guac. You don't have too much liquid in it. All right, let me taste it for the salt and the lemon juice. Oh, wow. It's not all the time I get it perfect. This is perfect, you guys. I mean, really good. Enough salt, enough lemon juice. The cilantro is not overbearing. The red onions are not overbearing. Everything is just kind of mingling together. All right, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. I know some people don't like their guac cold, but I do. So I'll come back in about 30 minutes, plate this baby up, and show you guys the finished product. All right, hang tight with me. Okay, you guys, here is the finished product of the avocado dip, or as most people would say, I can't pronounce it, guacamole dip. And of course, you know, I had to add some fat to it. I just did one slice of beef bacon and kind of chopped it up on top. It's really good. I got this beef bacon at a farmer's market, and oh wow, I've never had beef bacon, and this is really good. It doesn't render a lot of fat or any of that. And when I tasted it with the guacamole, it really took it to the next level. Okay, you guys, I know I promised that the next time I come on, I will be doing sweets. This time, I promise. Have a good day. Please share and subscribe, and God bless you.